Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today again we have brought you a video regarding how you can remove your friends fast on Snapchat. But before we start with our video, please do make sure to like and subscribe our channel and share our video. And yeah, let's go. So first of all, just go to your Snapchat app, and once your app is open, all you have to do is click this profile icon on top left corner. Click the icon and now your profile is open. Scroll down and you will click on the option called My Friends. Click it. This is the only easiest way, because this way your friend list will be here, all of your friends will be here, so you can just choose what friend you would like to remove. Long press on that name or profile and then go to manage friendship and remove friends option. Click it. Now again reconfirm, and that's how your friend will be removed from your friend list. The easiest way is this only, because Snapchat hasn't provided yet a button or an option to remove multiple friends at the same time. So yeah, this is the only easiest way where you can have your all friend list and you can choose. If the person name start with yes, you can just click this, go directly to the yes, click on that person, long press on that person's profile, go to manage friendship and remove friend. Yeah, this way you can easily find whoever you want to remove from your friend list and you can just remove it. I hope this video has helped you. Please do leave comments below how you like our videos and about what you will need another video. See you in another of our videos.